Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a two-piece kurti. For that, I have taken this fabric here. This is the width, and width-wise I will fold it from the middle. Fold it again so that we get 4 pieces here. I have folded it into 4 pieces. This rough edge we can cut off. Draw a straight line. Now I am going to mark from this edge. Measure the shoulder, divide it by 2, then add ½ inch. Here the shoulder is 14 inches, its half is 7, make a mark at 7 inches. Add ½ inch for seam allowance. For the neckline, from this shoulder point, measure 3 inches. And for seam allowance, ½ inch more. So I will measure 3.5 inches from this point and make one more mark. This is for the neckline. At this point where you have marked, draw a straight line from here to here. For armhole, I am taking 7.25 inches. This is for the armhole. I will draw one more straight line here. Measure 1 inch from this point diagonally. Draw a curve here. This is for the armhole. Now for the neck, I am going to take 6 inches. Measure 6 inches from here and mark. Draw one horizontal line from this point. Here also draw a straight line. Here for the neck, you can give any shape you want. I will give you a slight curve here. U shape here for the neck. So here is the neck. Here the armhole. Now take the length from your shoulder to slightly above your waist. Here I am taking 14 inches. For seam allowance, I am giving ½ inch here and ½ inch here. So it's going to be 15 inches from this point. Draw a straight line here. Now measure the waist and divide it by 4 and add ½ inch. That becomes 8 inches. I will measure 8 inches from this side. Now I will join these 2 points from here to this armhole. Now I will cut it. Okay, now we have got these 2 pieces. One is the back side, another is the front side. I will separate these 2 parts and keep one on the other. This is the front part I will cut it in U shape here. For the back part, I will measure 3 inches from here. Draw a curve here like this, connecting these 2 points. For the front part, we have to cut a little bit inside at the armhole. Give a slight curve here and cut it. So now the piece from the shoulder to waist is cut. This is how it looks like. Now we have to cut the bottom part. This is from waist downwards. For that, I am taking this cloth. I am going to take a length of 28 inches from the waist. I will measure 28 inches from here. Including the seam allowance, I am taking 28 inches. Make it double. Mark it here. Other side also take 28 inches, double and mark. This remaining cloth I will use for the sleeves. I will fold this cloth once more here. So here also we have got 4 layers. Now I will keep this upper part here. It is 8.5 inches. Here the width of this cloth is more, so we can get a lot of gathers. It is 19 inches. If you want, you can cut it a little. Or if you want more and more gathers, you can leave it as it is. I will take double the length of the top part. So I will measure 16 inches and mark here. This is the point that I have marked now. Connect it with the very bottom of this cloth. With a slight curve, I will connect these 2 points. Okay, now I will cut it. Here at the bottom also I am giving a slight curve. This part also I will cut. So we have got 2 pieces, upper body part and the lower part. I will stitch these 2 parts together by giving some gathers like this. Now I will show you how to cut the sleeves. For the sleeves I will use this leftover cloth. It is around 39 inches. I will fold it in the middle. Here I am going to cut 2 sleeves together. So I will fold it once again. Draw a straight line here and cut it to make it even. Now from here to here will be the length of the sleeves. I am going to keep the sleeve length as 8 inches. I will add 1 inch for stitching purpose, half an inch here and half an inch here. So I will measure 9 inches from here and mark. Draw a straight line and cut. This is the length of the sleeves. This is the width. I will mark at 7.25 inches from here. From here, mark at 3 inches inwards. Now from here to here, we will join with a curve like this. And for the front side, we will mark another curve half an inch inside. Now I will cut it. First I will cut the back piece. To mark at this point, measure the circumference of your arm. I will keep it a little loose. I will take 10.5 inches, divide it by 2, that is 5.25 inches. Then I will add half an inch extra. I will take it as 6 inches and mark here. Join these 2 points. Now we have got 2 sleeves here. I will keep them right sides facing each other and cut along this curve here. This part is for the front side. Mark them as F. So here the sleeves are ready. So I have got this upper piece, sleeves, and the piece below the waist. In my next video, I will show you how to stitch all these together to make a nice 2-piece kurti. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.